If we want to run C and C++ code, then we have to need some software which is compiler and IDE. In this video, we are about to install it step by step and write a simple C program. So hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 Code. My name is Sonu Sagar. So let's start. First, open browser and write on search bar code block download and search it. Here your first website codeblock.org. Click on it. Here you transfer on download page. So here option download the binary release. Click here and scroll down, and here you can say versions of this code block for Windows. Here we search MinGW setup, which is in 4th line. So install it. Here two options, you can click on both. I click first force have. Click here. Your download is start in some times, so I cancel it because I already download it in my computer. So in folders, here your setup file available, double click on it. Installation process is now start. So here click next. If you want to read this license, then you can read it, otherwise ignore it and click I agree. After it, next, install. Our code block now installing process start. It can take some minutes for complete installation process. Our installation process complete, so click on yes. Our code block software now open for use. Here I open a dialog box which is compiler auto detect. We install already GCC compiler, so click on it and OK. Next, finish. Our software open. Now we are ready to write a C program code. Click on file tab and here new option, select empty file. Now here write simple C program hash include stdio.h main function print a simple hello world using C program. Now save this file. Click on save file. Choose your directory. Save it with file name hello. Now our file save, click on run. Our print hello world. So this is a simple code of C program. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again in the next video.